Hey guys, Dan with Torque Nuts. Gonna show you another use for my torque nuts. Here's the tool set. So 3/4 inch up to 1.125. And right now I'm gonna tighten this bolt right there on this hitch that I'm putting on a 2007 Chevy dually 4-wheel drive. Customer had an accident and the old hitch ripped off, so we're installing a new one right now. So it's 3/4 inch wrench, and typically you would just put a torque wrench on there, but you can't get one in here, see? So my tool allows you to do that. So here's the tool. You got the ratchet, and my nut is actually already on there. So I'll try to do all this, hold it once. It's kind of a tight area. I should be able to do it. So slip this in there, right in between the wrench. Right with the camera. There we go. Okay, so we're in. So we've got the torque wrench or ratchet, 3/4 inch torque nut on there, and then the wrench. Let me just go ahead and crank on this bay. Like 75 to 80 foot-pounds going to be applied right now until it clicks. That's it. You can now torque things in tight areas with my tool. Visit me at www.torquenutz.com. Got a special going on right now. Visit my website. Thanks. Bye.